Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, November 20th, 2020. Today for Fun Fact Friday, did you know that female turkeys don't gobble? Only males do. They're called gobblers because they make a gobble call to attract the females. So you'll have to listen up to those gobblers. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast we're having yogurt and cereal, and for lunch we're having corn dog and french fries. Today's birthdays are Gage Morris, Kamani, Thomas Millette, and Aaliyah Fields. Happy birthday! Now, next week, we're going to be out of school for a few days for our Thanksgiving holiday, so we're going to recognize those birthdays now. Next week, we have Henry Taylor, Madison Petway, Akali Martin, Corian Kinney, Destiny Wally, Catherine Lawrence, Malia Crenshaw. We also have Michael Frank, Taiwan Powell, DeMarcus Parker, Chloe Fair, Barhan Muthana, Coriante Shepard, Michaela Harshaw, Rafat Muthana, Maya Robinson, and Carter Robinson. Happy birthday to all you birthday kiddos. A few announcements. Next week is Thanksgiving break. We will have no school all next week. Please enjoy this time with your families. And remember to stay safe, wash your hands, and wear your mask. Nominations for November Shepherd Supporter of the Month are now being accepted. Please ask your teacher for a form. Forms are located in the teacher workroom. Teachers, if you are in need of speakers or headphones in your classroom, please let Ms. Gibbs know. She will be happy to deliver. There is also one laptop cart left. If you need it for your classroom, I'll be happy to deliver that as well. It is large. We have the Stuff the Bus toy drive going on all next week. We are collecting new unwrapped toys for our Stuff the Bus toy drive. Please send in a new toy to the library by December 7th. So all the week after Thanksgiving, we'll have that whole week to bring in our toys. Every child that donates a toy will get to wear their favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 11th. Important dates coming up. Monday and Tuesday after we come back from Thanksgiving break, that's going to be our Ready reading growth monitoring for every grade level. Well, not kindergarten. Wednesday and Thursday, December 2nd through the 3rd, that's going to be our Ready math growth monitoring for grades 1 through 5. Friday, December 4th, our Ready growth monitoring is finished. So make sure everybody's finished up their growth monitoring by then. Tuesday, December 1st, we have phonics first tutoring beginning. Wednesday, December 2nd, we have PST, and that's going to be extended PE time and our flu shot clinic for our students. Monday, December 7th, or Tuesday, December 8th, we have the Stuff the Bus pickup. Wednesday, December 9th, we have grade level meetings during extended PE. Friday, December 11th, all students and staff who donate a toy may wear jeans and a Christmas shirt on this day. And Friday, December 18th is Feel Good Friday for the teachers. Today we have a shout out to Miss Langford by Akali Martin. Akali wants to give a shout out to Miss Langford. She said, Miss Langford is always teaching them new things that they didn't know and is very nice to her class. So, shout out to Miss Langford. That is all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Kate Shepherd, and have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday with your families.